Hey all designers, welcome to the series of how to apply graphic designing principles to your designs. In this series, I'll be covering these principles: alignment, contrast, hierarchy, white space, balance, and emphasis. This series is for beginners and the designers who are struggling to apply principles to their designs. And in this video, we'll be looking at alignment. When we talk about alignment, the first thing we should focus is text alignment. If you see in the paragraph panel, you see left, center, and right alignment. Also, there will be justify alignment. A lot of designs will have left alignment because our eyes got used to read from left to right, and the center alignment can be used to show balance in design or even to get attention to the text. And right alignment, if it's big paragraph, I would not recommend you to use it because it feels so difficult for our eyes to read. You can use it for maybe a heading or 4 or less words. And when we talk about justify, it's just to show the text in a clean way. On the both sides, you'll see the clean cut so that the readability is good. Okay, now let's jump into the Illustrator. So this is a layout example to show you multiple ways to align the text. Now it's left aligned, it looks neat and clean, but we can use some creativity in the placements of the text by using grids. There are a lot of grids we can use. That itself is a big topic. For now, I'm gonna use modular grid. Just draw an outline shape to the artboard, select it and go to Object, Path and split into grids. You'll get this panel. I'll put the settings in the screen so you can pause it and take a look at it. After applying, just click on OK and you'll have your grid ready. So we'll have these many options to place our text using these columns as guide. Doing this will give more professional look to your designs. Not only that, you can use images to have proper alignment to your designs. Talking about the images, let it be PNG or a ratio image. You can align it center or right, it doesn't matter. You have to check on the balance and the hierarchy, which I'll brief in coming videos. That's all for this video. You can let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. If you start practicing every day, all these principles will be so easy for you to use. Don't forget to check out other videos in the same series. See you all, have a great day.